Hi folks, and welcome back to the Calgary Hearing Aid and Audiology YouTube channel. For this video, we are just going to go through quickly how to clean your behind the ear hearing aids or receiver-in-canal, or essentially any hearing aid that rests on your ear, like so. Let's begin. So gather all your tools. We're going to want your cleaning cloth and a brush, and then also the wax filters, or Ceru Stop is what it's called. What you want to do first is take your cloth, open that up, grab your first hearing aid. This one's pretty clean, and we're just going to give that a wipe down. Now, more often than not, the debris is usually on the dome here, so we can just give that a good wipe. You want to wipe, clean that, and set that down. We're going to grab the second hearing aid. There we go, give that a good wipe. And then we'll set the cloth back down, and we're going to grab one of our brushes here. It doesn't matter which one you have. One that I prefer to use looks like this. And we're just going to give the housing of the hearing aid, or the body of the hearing aid, a good little brush down, especially around the buttons. We want to make sure that we're cleaning that part there. All around. Let's give that a brush, set it down, grab the other. Voila! Next thing, we're going to change our wax filters now. So you'll want to take the dome off, and you see that little white circle there is what we're going to change. So get your wax filters. We want to pull out a stick. On the stick, one end has nothing. This is the latch we'll use to take out the old before we put the new one in. So we insert in the hole, pull out. Now it's gone, and then we flip it, put the new side back in there, and we want to chuck that. And then we're going to place the dome back on here and just quickly check. Great. Put that down. And this next one. Grab your dome, insert it back on, and there you have it. Clean hearing aids